The biggest lie people believe about off grid living is that you have to give up comfort and that you're signing up for cold showers, spoiled food, unreliable power, and a daily struggle just to avoid paying rent. And the truth is, with the right setup, an off grid home can actually be more comfortable, more reliable, and dramatically cheaper than a typical apartment. And while apartment renters deal with rising rent, utility bills, noisy neighbors, parking problems, and endless rules, an intelligently designed off grid system gives you control over nearly everything. And after building my own setup and seeing how it performs in real life, I realized something surprising. It doesn't just compete with apartment living, in many ways, it beats it. And the first reason is predictable monthly costs. Apartment living starts with rent, then adds electricity, water, internet, trash fees, parking fees, pet deposits, and whatever surprise charges show up next. Off grid living flips that equation. Yes, there's an upfront investment, but once your system is built, your monthly expenses drop dramatically. Every month that passes, you're benefiting from the equipment you already own instead of paying someone else's mortgage. And that financial stability becomes more valuable every year as housing costs continue climbing. Power is where most people assume off grid fails and falls apart as well. But modern solar technology has changed everything. A properly sized solar array combined with quality batteries can keep your lights, refrigerator, computers, internet fans, televisions, and even many kitchen appliances running every day instead of worrying about rate increases from the electrical company. And you're producing your own energy. Battery technology has proved to the point where storing enough electricity for overnight use is realistic for many homeowners. Add an efficient inverter and smart energy management, and the system becomes surprisingly dependable. Water is another area where planning matters too. Whether using rainwater collection, a private well, hauled water, or another legal source for your area, modern filtration systems can provide clean, safe water for everyday use. And many people picture rusty barrels and questionable drinking water, but today's filter removes sediment, bacteria, and contaminants with impressive effectiveness when properly maintained. Water conservation also becomes second nature, making every gallon count without sacrificing the comfort. Heating and cooling often worry people concerning off grid life, but insulation matters more than people realize. A well insulated tiny home or cabin holds temperatures far better than many older apartments. And combine quality insulation with energy efficient mini splits, propane backup heat, wood stoves where appropriate, ceiling fans, and proper ventilation, and maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures becomes much easier than expected. The less energy your home wastes, the smaller your power system needs to be. And there's the internet access too, which used to be one of the biggest limitations of remote living. And today, high-speed wireless options and satellite internet have made remote work, streaming, gaming, and video calls possible in places that had almost no connectivity just a few years ago. And for many people, internet performance is no longer the deciding factor that keeps them tied to the city apartments. And storage is another hidden advantage. Apartments often charging extra for garages or storage units while offering limited closet space. Designing your own off grid home lets you maximize every inch with custom cabinets, under bed storage, overhead shelving, outdoor sheds, and multi purpose furniture. Instead of accepting whatever layout a landlord gives you, your storage works around your lifestyle. Noise is something people underestimate until they escape apartment life, too. No footsteps above your ceiling at midnight. No neighbors blasting music through the shared walls. No barking dogs in the hallway every morning. No constant traffic outside your bedroom window. And the peace and quiet alone can improve sleep quality, reduce the stress, and make your home feel like a place you actually want to spend time. Privacy follows the same idea. Apartment complexes often mean cameras everywhere, crowded parking lots, thin walls, and shared spaces. And off grid living allows you to create your own environment with a level of privacy you prefer. And whether that's a small cabin tucked into the woods or a tiny home on open land, having personal space changes how homes feel. And food storage also becomes easier than many expect. Energy efficient refrigerators, chest freezers consume far less electricity than older models. And if your solar system is properly designed, keeping food cold isn't a daily concern. And some people even add gardens, greenhouses, or chickens to reduce the grocery costs while increasing food security. And every step towards self sufficiency, reduces the dependence on rising prices and supply chain disruptions. And maintenance is another area where people often misunderstand off grid living. Apartments may seem maintenance free, but you're constantly waiting for the landlord to fix your problems on their schedule. And when you own your setup, you choose quality equipment and understand how it works and can often solve issues yourself. Preventative maintenance becomes part of the lifestyle instead of an emergency after something breaks. Security also improves in many off grid setups. Cameras powered by solar, motion lights, smart locks, reinforced doors, and remote monitoring systems provide peace of mind without depending entirely on the on-grid electricity. And since your critical systems are powered independently, certain outages affecting surrounding areas may have little impact on your home. And one of the biggest advantages is flexibility. Need more solar capacity? Add panels. Need additional battery storage? Expand the battery bank. Want better water filtration? Upgrade your system. You're improving something you own instead of asking permission from property management. And every improvement adds long-term value to your own and lifestyle rather than someone else's property. And many people assume off-grid living giving up modern conveniences, but that's usually the result of poor planning rather than lifestyle itself. Efficient appliances, LED lighting, induction cooking where appropriate, smart power monitoring, and energy conspicuous and conscious habits allow surprisingly normal life. And the goal isn't to live with less comfort, it's to waste less energy. And that's a huge difference. Another overlooked benefit is resilience. Storms, they knock out the neighborhood power, and your batteries may keep everything running. Utility prices, they spike. Your solar panels don't suddenly send a bigger bill. Water restrictions appear. Conservation is already built into your daily routine. The more independent your system becomes, the less outside disruptions affect your everyday life. And mental freedom is harder to measure, but just as important knowing that your house costs are lower and your utilities are under your control and your home isn't subject to rent increases, and it creates a level of financial confidence that's difficult to describe until you experience it. Instead of feeling trapped by monthly bills, you're investing in systems that continue paying you back over time. And of course, off grid living isn't perfect. It requires planning, budgeting, maintenance, and learning new skills, and you'll need to understand your energy usage, monitor battery levels, and maintain water systems, and occasionally troubleshoot equipment. But these responsibilities often replace frustrations that apartment renters already deal with, like lease renewals, rent hikes, maintenance delays, and restrictive rules. And the key is designing your system around your actual lifestyle instead of copying someone else's setup. Calculate your energy needs honestly. Invest in quality equipment where it matters most, and build rooms for future expansion. And prioritize efficiency before simply buying more solar panels. And every watt you save is one you never have to generate, and every gallon you conserve is one you don't have to replace. Every smart decision compounds over time, and after living with an off-grid setup, what surprised me most wasn't what that it worked. It was how quickly it started feeling normal. The lights came on, the refrigerator stayed cold, the internet worked, and how water was available and hot water was available, and life continued without constantly thinking about utility companies or rent increases. And that's when I realized the biggest advantage wasn't just saving money. It was owning the system that supported my daily life instead of renting access to them month after month. And for the right person willing to plan carefully and build intelligently, an off grid setup doesn't just compete with an apartment living, it can absolutely beat it. Thanks for watching. If you found value to this video, please subscribe. We're looking to build this channel, and without you, we can't do that. So please subscribe. Have a good day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.